Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will take you all to find out how to configure your Wi-Fi HaLow Dongle. Let's check what's in the box. If you bought it a pair version, then there will be two dongles inside. One is AP side and the other is STA side. An USB-C cable for connection, short network cable, and corresponding antenna. Let's power the antenna on. Okay, now antennas are installed. Now you can see there's an indicator light, and at the bottom has a RST button, RJ455 network port and a USB-C port. Let's connect the AP to upstream network first. For P2P mode connection, we have pre-configured them to AP and STA. After powering on and connecting to the network, they can be used on field. Alright, now you can see it's running. It shows a red light, that means it's starting up. This process starts a bit slowly. It may take a minute or two. It's normal, don't worry. Take your time. Well, since we are waiting, let's open our wiki site. Check about this light instruction. A description of a specific pattern is all in this form. If the sticker is broken, you can tell whether it's AP or STA side. You can judge it by the indicator light. Well, now we can see that the AP side is currently showing steadily sighing. That means it is in the internet mode. If it's not in this mode, we can use a pin provided in the box to adjust by pressing the RST button. But since we are in creative mode, there's no need to adjust here. Let's take a look at the state of the STA. Now it's showing a constant green light. If it continues to flash, it has not been connected successfully. Just wait for it to stay on. Now we can connect its Wi-Fi. You can identify the SSID on sticker. The SSID of our STA is 4064. Now let's try to search and connect on our phone. Check if it can be searched now. Now I found the wireless network named 4064. All dongle's Wi-Fi default password is heltec.org. Okay. Now we have successfully connected. Let's open our browser to check if we can use network. You can see the cellular network is off now. Cool, we manage it. Let's try to enter the product page. It works. Next is how to switch its mode. The light is flashing cyan now. We need to push the RST button with the pin. It has packed in your dongle box. Press RST button quickly and once. The light turns to purple now. If you hold the press RST button for 3 seconds, the light will turn to yellow. When the light flashes alternatively, you can connect to it directly. If you hold the button for 7 seconds, you see, the lights will turn to white and its previous setting will be deleted. In that case, you have to reconfigure it again. Now, in the second part of this video, how to customize your dongle. First of all, you need to turn on the Wi-Fi on your computer, then connect with corresponding Wi-Fi. The SSID of AP is 8E86. Connect it. Then let's turn on our browser. Enter 10.42.0.1. This brings into configuration page. We need to log in first. Its default password is heltec.org as well. Let's log in. After getting in the configuration page, the wizard page will show on your screen. Select the standard one. And then choose access point. After that, we can edit its SSID and its password. The SSID and password you set here are for STA connection only. I like to keep it default. You can also modify its width on this page. Wider bandwidth delivers faster speeds, though your transmission range will be shorter. If you go with narrower bandwidth, like this, you get slower speeds but more range, just according to your use case. And for the channel, also choose by your use case. I'll still keep it default. Then we come to set upstream network. You have 3 decisions now. Now for no upstream network, choose Internet as your upstream network or choose Wi-Fi as your upstream network. Let's check the third one. You need to enter SSID and password of your upstream Wi-Fi to connect. Choose the connection way as you like. Now we are going to the next step. Here we choose to connect with Internet. It has 2 different models, the bridge and the router. These 2 models control how your IP addresses are handed out. We choose a router here. You can also customize its Wi-Fi SSID and password here. This Wi-Fi is for your end device connection, such as your phone or computer. Last, we click apply. Complete the configuration of AP. Next, come to STA configuration. First, we need to connect with corresponding Wi-Fi. After that, the configuration page will update. Enter its default password again. Login. Click into wizard page. and choose the standard configuration. Select it as client. Then enter AP-STA to link them. Here we need to use the password we mentioned before. Also is password. Next, I like to choose bridge. Same as the previous setting, it only affects on a IP address handout, so set it by your use case. Now we are setting the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi of STA. After you set up STA's SSID and its password, and then click apply to complete the configuration. Now it's over.